Haukiba Punkun Mari Asida, Manipurda, Pamdaba Tokdok Toktanaba, Security Force na Sing Amasung Tamda, Tiba Humbagi Tabak Satakre. Security Force na Sing Amasung Tamda, Tiba Humbagi Tabak Satabada, Bishnupur District, Aigijang Village Amadi, Irengbam Maning Dagi, Magazine Yaudaba, Carbine Ama, Magazine Yaudaba Ahunga Loina na Pistol Ani, Revolver Pistol Ama, Flare Pistol Ama, KG Amaga, Gram Jamri Lumba IED Ama, 21mm HE Mortar Cell Ahum, 51mm HE Mortar Cell Ama, 2-inch smoke cell Ani, 2-inch mortar ILLU ammunition Ama, detonator Yaudaba HE hand grenade Mari, pack plastic explosive IED bomb Ama, live ammunition round Chamagashub Nataret, ballistic cartridge Manga, IED remote control Ama, IED fuse Tarataruk, heavy mox key Ama, IED gi 3.5mm plug CW key, walkie-talkie set Motorola Ani, Icon walkie-talkie Ama, AK-47 magazine Ahangba Ani, USA carbine charger Nipan, HE detonator Kunmari, 7.62 ammunition charger Taranitoy, .303 charger Manga, ring Ani Yawa tube launcher Ani, 36 HE hand grenade lever Ama, Amadi helmet Ahum Fagatpa Ngamkhre Hairi. Amadi Churachandpur district ke Langza area dege lethot gun Ama, single barrel 12mm bore rifle Ahum, magazine Yawa 9mm CMG Ama, tear gas gun Ama, live ammunition round Taramari, rubber bullet Yawa 38mm anti-riot Ani, tear smoke cell CS Ahum, improvised long range mortar Ani, improvised long range mortar ammunition Ama Fagatpa Ngamkhre Hairi. National Highway 37 Amadi National Highway Ani da lamdam asige tangai fadaba nongmada changraba yadaba polampuba gari chaniga kuntra taret amadi chaniga marfu humdoi hairiba lambi asida apanba yaudana pusilaki makhatana pochai pusilangnaba khudong thiningai oiba mafam kaya dasu security force na akanba saksin thawrang lokhatki Manipur gi district punamakta pamdaba thodok thoktanaba gidamak punna checkpoint chamaga kun tarukta achat auk sing check tawada jingnaba ching amasung tamda punna mioi chaniga humpudra mathoi agatuna wangpong sathaki hairi.